Hi, in this box supposedly is a Sony Betamax SL-C9ES from 1983. It seems to be brand new in box. The story behind this: I bought this from the local eBay ads. Somebody found this in his basement. It belonged to his grandfather. He didn't know what to do with it, so he put it up in the local ads, which is of course the right thing to do. To me, it looks like it's actually believable that this thing is brand new and has never been opened. The tape looks pristine on it. It's also the kind of tape that I know from these kinds of packings from Betamaxes. I decided to open this because there are electrolytic capacitors in there and there are rubber parts that can deteriorate. There is the possibility that if I just leave it as it is for an undefined amount of time, I might not be able to fix this thing at some point in the future. So I decided to open this thing up and look at it and see if I can get it running, if it works, and if it's actually what's claimed to be in there. I don't even know that. It's just too exciting to not unbox. So let's get right to it. Oh my god. This is actually, there's actually a big metal clip in there. So I found a sacrificial pair of scissors that I can use to get these clips out of here without hurting the packing too much. So these are fairly substantial metal clips. All right, that should be it. And we're in. Oh my god. Okay, this is absolutely what it claimed to be. We have this beautiful selection of the remote control, a coax cable, and a tape that they give you in the box, 45 minutes, L165. Just gotta focus on that. Next, we have a correction of the user's manual. Then we have the user's manual itself. And, as it looks like, the machine itself. The machine is in this kind of foam. All right. Yeah, this is a brand new Sony Betamax. Let's go handheld. This is surreal. You just don't see them in this kind of condition. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Let's also have a look at the back side. And we have the DIN type output, BNC composite jacks, stereo in and out, and a switch for if you're using the PCM modulator, demodulator. And this little thing presumably to tweak either the... Oops. Okay, I have no idea what this is for. Before I break anything, I just leave it as it is. But this, if it's not for setting the channels, it's probably to set the RF channel, the output channel. So let's go ahead and just apply the voltage and see what it does. Okay, nothing so far. Seems like the hard power switch may be off. And we have a clock. Okay. Nice. Powers up beautifully. Let's just get a random test tape and see what it does handling a cassette. And this looks like it may very well be functioning. Picture search does advance. Also goes in reverse. Nice. So this looks like the machine is actually working. I won't know for sure if until I plug it into a TV. See eject. And this seems to work absolutely beautifully. So if this machine produces a usable picture, I will go ahead and record a test video to it, and we can watch it right here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Really excited about this machine.